So the first stop, deflating the tires. The sun just came out. Beautiful weather. So nice. We should be at the first stop. Maybe half an hour? Okay, let's go. I just want to take a photo of it. Yeah, I locked it. Thank you. Hello. Okay, so we just ordered the food. Now we're just waiting for them to bring it. Should be another like hour and a half drive, and then we should be at the camp. Let's start by showing you the room. It's inside. Ooh. Hanging space. Okay. We've got a mini fridge, very small mini fridge. And if you open it up, look at that. And the best air conditioning. The main bed. It's just two beds pushed together. This is what the roof looks like. Some towels and some shampoo and conditioner, which I will be using. And then we've got, this is like the tiniest kettle I've ever seen in my life. Just got some coffee. And over here we have the bathroom. I mean, look at how nice this is. Like your basin, little mirror. Oh, you just push it. Ah, okay. And we've got a shower head and a little geyser, so there is hot water. We've got a toilet, a working toilet, which is always good, and then a little window if you want to say hi to your neighbors. That's the whole room. Very nice. But the plan for now is we are going to go get something to drink, go check out the animals. That's the other thing I wanted to show you. Look at the view from my room. Look at how cool that is. So that is a big ass water hole. The animals will come and drink there. We've actually got a peacock right there, right outside the window. And if we're lucky, we'll see rhinos, because like all the animals just come here to drink. So hopefully we'll see something. My white balance is so off. After we do the pool, we are going to come back. I'm gonna shower, and then we're gonna go to the cheetah feeding, the cheetahs and the leopards, and then dinner after that. Just one hand. Yes.
Phone. Your bag.
My bag. That would be the elephants. Came back from the game drive, huge success, very happy with what we saw. We are going to go get lunch now because it's about 1 o'clock. I need to get out of these jeans because I'm dying of heat.
These chips. What is that place where we got chips like this? It was so spicy.
So it's our last morning. The last time looking at this beautiful view. I am so tired. Damn, carrying all those bags back from the rooms. Put everything in the car. But it was heavy. Very, very heavy. We're going into town now, do a little bit of shopping, and then we're gonna go to Mount Etchu.